Hey boss, hey beauties, welcome back. Guys, happy new year to you all. So in today's video, I'm going to do a scalp treatment, right? I have an itchy scalp and I don't know what brings that, and I decided to share it with you guys. And as I'm checking, it's because I want to see whether it is dandruff, because I have them in the past that I've treated, and I don't know whether they are back, but you can see there is no dandruff, just that my hair is dirty and needs a wash. My last washing was a week ago, and I had a style just that I just removed. As you all can see, it is not yet combed. Yeah. So sometimes ago I thought it was gray hair, because I also have gray hair all over my hair, and I thought this was the issue of an itchy scalp. And but I can see it is not even gray hair, because um yeah, gray hair does not even give this kind of itchy scalp, because when I asked some people with gray hair, they told me they were not having this issue. So I realized I was having this issue with from something else, and I think my hair needs you know some treatment, because I haven't done it for a while now. I think for a year or two, yeah, guys. And yeah, I think I have to do some treatment on my hair. And yeah, because I'm going to use only the scalp today, and it is my first time using these products that I saw on many YouTubers using for itchy scalp. I decided to also go ahead and try it out. But first of all, I did do my research, right? I didn't just go ahead and try it, because I am really scared for what goes on my skin, and it is my first time, so I didn't want to start something that I wouldn't be sure to see how it works. So I went ahead and looked for this apple cider vinegar issue and do some research about that, because many YouTubers do, some review about that, and no, they are actually treating their scalp, their itchy scalp with that. They are not doing a review, because they are sure that it works. So I went and do my research, and the science also says the science support to use the use of apple cider vinegar as a hair rinse. It could help strengthen hair and improve luster by lowering hair and scalp pH. It may also keep pesky scalp and infection and itchiness at bay, right? So I decided to also try it out, because if this could be helpful, then you guys, I'm going to do some review about that in this particular video, because when I say I have an itchy scalp, then the problem is serious, guys. I really have an itchy scalp. I am like, everywhere I have to beat my hair. I have to, you know, scratch my scalp, and it is not easy. So I'm going to do a review of this apple cider vinegar. But what I added into that, because I didn't want to add it direct to my scalp, it is my first time using it, so I added a little bit of water to that, and I went ahead and added rosemary drops, some drops, like you can add like 5 drops. I use rosemary in my hair oil as well, because rosemary help for hair grow. It helps stimulate and improves circulation to the scalp, relieves irritated, dry, flaky, dandruff, riding scalp. So now that I've finished spraying the product on my hair, I'm going to cover it up and let it stay for like 45 minutes to 1 hour, and I'll be back. So I am back, guys, and I've finished washing my hair, and yeah, it's look clean, shiny, And I just hope the itchy the itches are gone, right? So we are going to see how it works, guys. This video is to treat my scalp and also do a review about what I have found that helps with the itchy scalp, right? But I'm going to share everything with you here, guys. Don't worry. I'm now going to put some oil on my scalp. I made this oil by myself. It's a oil that I made also for to grow my edges, and I'm going to put it all over my scalp and try to massage the scalp slowly. So yeah, the scalp massage help dilate blood vessel and encourage hair growth. So it is always good to massage your scalp. So I want to make sure to put more oil into my scalp because I'm going to cover it up and go to bed with, right? So this is like overnight oil treatment that I'm doing, and the composition I have in that oil helps with hair growth, scalp itchy, and dandruff as well. So now I go ahead and massage my scalp slowly, especially at my edges place as I don't have them, so that it will help with the blood vessel circulation, right? So that yeah, so I will let it stay overnight, and good night. Hey boss, I am back, and yeah, this is how my scalp look like. Yeah, it is clean, fresh, but I still have itches, guys. I still have itches. I think it's a treatment that you always have to do. Like, I'm going to do it. If the science says it's help for the scalp, then I think it is something you should do often, right? Like, let's say every time I want to wash my hair, like I do it like every week, for like a month or two before, sometimes some treatment are not done once, right? Some treatment are done like month or two or even three. Yeah, so for this I agree that it can happen, but to say it's help directly or at once, no, guys, no. For this particular one, as you can see, I still have some itches, so I think the normal way is to do it more often, like once a week, and I will be doing that and until I see the result, right? I will do that like for a month. I will share it with you, and I will share the result with you. I will let you know how it works, but I will do that for like a month. Like every time I want to wash my hair, I will do spray my scalp with the apple cider vinegar with the mix that I showed you earlier on, and then before I wash my hair, and then I will share the result with you. If this doesn't go for like within a month, in a month or two, then I don't know if this really works. But for now, I can't really assure you that it works because as I did, and according to many videos I saw on YouTube, you can just do it once, like according to their explanation, like you use it for once and you are good to go. But as I'm talking to you right now, I still have some itches, so this is not a one-time treatment. I think it's something you should do more often. Like every time you want to wash your hair, you just do spray this mixture. The next time I will try it with just apple cider vinegar without mixing any water to it, right? next time I will try it out. I'm not going to share it with you every time I'm doing it, but I will share the result with you, and at the end of, when I am done, like within a month, right? In between, we are going to do all other hair treatment, right? Because I haven't done it for a while, and my hair really looks not good. And yeah, I think I need some trimming. I need some kind of more treatment on my hair, because I used to do that in the past and I really had long hair doing that. Though they were perm, but yeah, now that we are done with the style, let us style a little bit. Guess I'm rocking with my natural hair for today. And excuse me, do you have something to say, girl? Do you have something to say? I love you all, guys. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Love you all. Bye. Mwah.